Mechanic strength, food safe. Most disposable gloves tear or lose grip easily when they get wet or greasy, and they don't offer enough protection for any chemicals or heavy duty tasks. And I'm really liking these 8 milliliter gloves. They are nice thick, they have chemical resistance, they have that diamond texture grip on them. No latex, food grade. They're designed for multi-purpose, kitchen, household, general task, automotive, and they're not ripping on me at all. Some things that stand out, they're designed to be puncture resistant and chemical resistant. They have the nitrile formation, so it does conform to your hand. It doesn't have any latex, and it's suitable for allergies, and I love the diamond texture. It really does help with the grip, and I am super happy, no silicone. And I was super impressed with the amount of testing behind these. They tested them on oils, grease, brake cleaners, solvents, and they meet the very strict EN ISO 374 standards for chemical protection. And they do go a couple of inches up my wrist. Do pay attention when you're ordering the size. They come in size small to XXL, and there is some directions on the box. You can literally lay your palm against the box and get a good idea of the measurement for you if you're buying these in person. If you're buying them online, they really do provide very accurate sizing descriptions. I ordered them medium. They are a little bit big for me, which makes them very easy to go on and off, and they do have a 60-month shelf life, which I appreciate. Super easy to stay organized and get in and out of the box. Overall, I really like the industrial strength. I love the chemical resistance. I love their even food grade. They have a great grip. I had no issues when I applied chemicals. I love that they're disposable. You can just toss them when you're done, and they are really versatile. You can use them across professional to everyday tasks. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.